From the simplest coverings to the most complex creations, our journey through the history of what we wear is a story about us. It's a tale of survival, status, art, and identity, woven into the very fabric of human civilization. This is the story of fashion, a visual language spoken by every culture across time. Our story begins in the biting cold of the prehistoric world, where survival was the only trend. Early humans, our distant ancestors, hunted not just for food, but for warmth and protection. Here, the first garments were born from necessity. Animal hides and furs painstakingly scraped, cured, and stitched together with bone needles. These weren't statements of style, but shields against the elements, the first crucial step in humanity's long relationship with clothing. As societies blossomed along the fertile banks of rivers, so did the complexity of our attire. In ancient Egypt, the shimmering heat was met with the cool, breathable elegance of linen. The finest weaves were reserved for nobles and pharaohs, their simple white kilts and dresses adorned with intricate jewelry and elaborate headdresses, signaling divine status. Meanwhile, in the bustling city-states of Greece and Rome, clothing defined citizenship and social standing. The flowing toga, draped with practiced skill, was the mark of a Roman man, while the stola signified a respectable matron, each fold of fabric a testament to their place in a highly structured world. The fall of Rome gave way to an era of fragmented kingdoms and burgeoning artistry. During the Middle Ages, clothing became more tailored and structured. Tunics were layered and wealth was displayed through the richness of dyes and the length of one's sleeves. Then came the Renaissance, a rebirth of art and culture that echoed in the world of dress. In the opulent courts of Italy and France, fashion became a canvas for personal expression and power. Artisans worked with sumptuous velvets, intricate brocades, and delicate silks imported from the East. Silhouettes grew more elaborate, with ruffs, corsets, and voluminous sleeves creating dramatic and often restrictive forms that spoke volumes about the wearer's wealth and leisurely lifestyle. This age of artistry was soon met with an age of machinery. The Industrial Revolution forever changed the landscape of fashion. The roar of the first textile mills and the clatter of the sewing machine democratized style, transforming it from a privilege of the few to a possibility for the many. For the first time, ready-made clothing became available, and fashion began to move at a faster pace, setting the stage for the century of style to come. The 20th century was a whirlwind of social change, and fashion kept pace every step of the way. A rapid-fire montage of the decades reveals a culture in constant flux. The 1920s roared with the rebellious spirit of the flapper, her dropped waist dress and bobbed hair a declaration of newfound freedom. The pragmatic 1940s, shaped by the austerity of war, saw the rise of utilitarian shoulder-padded silhouettes. The 1980s exploded with excess, a riot of neon colors, power suits, and big hair that mirrored the era's bold ambition. This was followed by the stripped-back minimalism of the 1990s, a quiet rebellion against the preceding decade's flamboyance. Each decade developed a distinct identity, a uniform for its time, as fashion became a powerful tool for self-expression and subculture. Today, in the 21st century, fashion is more diverse and globalized than ever before. The lines have blurred between high couture runways in Paris and the vibrant streetwear of Tokyo and Seoul. The internet has connected us, creating a melting pot of styles where individuality reigns supreme. Trends emerge and vanish in the blink of an eye, and personal style is a curated collage of influences from across the globe. Yet, as we stand at this crossroads of limitless choice, a new question emerges. We see the toll of fast fashion on our planet, prompting a movement towards sustainability and conscious consumption. Our journey with clothing, from animal skin to synthetic fiber, has brought us here. Now, we must ask ourselves, what will be the next thread in our story? The future of how we dress is not just about style, but about the survival of the world we inhabit.